video today, I'm going to practically show you how to do P2P on Bybit the right way, most especially the issue with add transfer method even after you have already added. I'm going to show you that, and I'm also going to answer some questions where people keep asking what will now happen, most especially those that are live streaming, those that are getting paid in USDT, what will now happen, because there is some message that some countries are actually going to be delisting a USDT. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. You're welcome to the practical aspect of this video. So here is Bybit. I can click on my asset to know how much I have. So I'm going to be selling from my funding account. So let me just click back to my home page. So I'm going to click on P2P here. So if your own is not showing P2P, you can either update your app, Bybit app, or you click on more. You are going to see P2P. Okay, so I want to sell some of my USDT, just as I've told you. I've already shared it into 3. I've bought other coins with it, so I'm going to sell. So when I click on sell, I'm going to scroll down. So one thing that a lot of people are making mistake of is, like right here now, you will see Naira, right? $1 to Naira is giving us 1,846. But another mistake again, some people, when you come here, depending on your currency, so ensure that this one is showing your currency if you are watching outside Nigeria, and if you are in Nigeria, make sure you click here to select NGN, that's Naira. So, and this one now, you know, if you click on sell, a lot of people, they will say that when they sell, it will just be telling them add payment method. Is because this seller has already indicated that he is only receiving from World Remit. Do you have World Remit? No. So if you are buying from World Remit, that's when you will be able to sell it as 1,846. So that's one. Secondly, like some, you will see, like this one now is still Access Bank, First Bank, GT, and all that, but this person is only selling the minimum he is ready to buy is from 23M. You see why that one is not part of what is possible for me right now, because I think I'm selling like maybe 2.5 worth of coins. Okay, so what you need to do is to scroll down. While you are scrolling down, you should watch at the method of payment method, the quantity the person has, and the limit order. Like this person now is saying the minimum he is ready to buy is 4.5, all right, at 1,643. So I'm going to scroll down to see someone that I can buy from. Like I would have clicked on this one now, but I want to sell like 2.5. So I'm going to come here. You see, like this guy now is selling 1,642 at from 2M to 23M. Let me click on Muhammad. So if you click here, sometimes when you see that this bank transfer is not showing, all you need to do is scroll down and then click on the seller's name. Then you are going to select, because mostly when you come here, you will see maybe if the person have 2, 3, 4 at, check the one that suits your whatever the amount you have. So I will click on sell. Then here I'll input the amount. So I think I want to sell all. It's going to give me 2.521829. So I'm going to click on sell. All right. So as I click on sell now, I'm going to click on contact buyer. As you can see, the person said here, hello boss, please help me drop phone number. I will be paying with blah 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 and all that. So the next thing I will do, I will click on phone number. So the next thing I did is to drop my phone number, which is very important, so that the person, we can communicate in case of incasity. And please don't ever release coin until you log in. If the person say he has paid, or it has shown that he has paid or marked as paid, ensure that you have logged into your app and see it. The Ijebu in me save, I used to transfer it to my other account to see it before I release. All right, so the owner has marked that he has paid, that I should release. So the first thing I used to do is to go to my account to check if the payment is successful. And once I see that the payment is successful, the first thing I used to do first of a truth is to transfer it to another of my account. Right, as you can see, it's here, 2521850. 2521850, 2521829. So he even added 30. So if I want to check our communication, I can check right here. So the next thing I will do is to release the coin. I'll just click on release now. Yes, I have checked my bank, and yes, I have confirmed the name. So I will click on release. Under no circumstances should we release, yes. And the next thing I'm going to do is to put my fund password, my funding password. So I'll click on like this, and then voila, I can leave a review. So I always love leaving review. I'll leave good, and I want to leave it as anonymous. I want to also type fast and reliable. There. That's what I used to do. You know, the sky is big enough for us all to fly. So for the sake of those that are wondering what will happen if USDT has been delisted, what will first of all, as top one in Africa, I have reached out to about 3 live streaming platforms to ask what plan do they have. So I'm here to have the kind of feedback I want. So, but probably they will be paying in BTC or USDC, okay? So if the option of USDC is being given to you, all you need to do is to come click on your asset. You will now click on deposit, okay? You will now click on deposit crypto. So instead of choosing USDT, you will click on USDC. You can also search here in case your own is not here. So if you click on USDC, okay, and also take note of the chain, because like most of it right now we are using USDT and we are using BRC20. So USDC might be on maybe Solana network or whatever network. Make sure you take note of that before you select. So let's assume it's Solana network. So you just click here, you click okay, then you now copy, and then you start using your USDC. And of course, even in selling P2P, anytime you want to sell, you can simply just come to your P2P. When you click on your P2P, you click on sell or buy, whichever. You can now use, instead of this USDT here, you can click this tiny arrow, and then you click on USDC and you sell. So it's simple. It's not hard. For those that are still holding USDT and you are scared, just as what I did, I share my portfolio into 3 that is in USDT. One part of it I bought BTC, Ethereum, and Sui. One part of it I converted to USDC, and then one part of it I sell it to Naira, just as you have seen in the video. So you can simply just click. You can click on trade, or you can click on convert. Like if you come here, you can click on this convert. Click here, you now select. So in this case, let's assume I have USDT and I want to convert it to USDC. So here I'll just search USDC, okay, and then put the amount of USDT you want to sell. Because I don't have much, I've already sold it. So you click on quote, and voila, it will convert to USDC. It's not hard at all. So link to videos on Bybit, how to sign up, how to copy trade, how to use bot trading, videos on how to long, how to short. I have done all that. I will drop a playlist to full Bybit video tutorial on how to navigate and how you can make money. Imagine right now BTC at 94. You can short it, you can long it, at all that. If you want to learn to do that, I'll drop in the link in the description of this video, even videos on how to become a writer, writing and publishing on Amazon and all that. All the links to the videos that are more like a course, I'll drop the playlist in the comment section. I know some people will be like, where will I see this money? So majorly I am into live streaming. That's my major source of income. I live stream, and this YouTube video as you are watching right now, as advert is being placed, I'm getting paid. Like this month, this December, for that's I've been paid for month of November 153 or something. I will show it right here, dollars. So that one is already in my bank account. And I'm also into cryptocurrency. Okay, so and I've also written books that are on Amazon. I get sales from there. I receive my money into Payoneer and I convert it to USDT and all that. So I do a lot of on the internet, but I don't want you to just put your mind on how much I'm withdrawing. Believe you me, if you have the slightest idea of the pressure that I'm on, the expenses, the bukatu, you won't pity me. Because even as I'm withdrawing this money, it's only little that is going for my personal use, because as a mother of four and as someone that has lost her husband, and my son is in private university, you cannot even begin to imagine the expenses on my head. But I'm not here to complain. I'm so grateful to God for all he has done. Just like as I'm here right now, I usually used to take a 1 week break at the end, towards the end of the year, for my personal retreat. But because my husband is no more, I don't have that luxury of 1 week. But at least I used to take 3 days. So this one, because I've even prepared my mind that let me try and do everything as fast as I could. So within 2 days, I'm able to get done with all that I placed my mind to. So today I'm just resting. So I decided, usually I used to just put my mind on my phone on flight mode. But since I'm done, let me just check what's going on. So those questions make me to make this video. I'm right here at Goshen Guest House. Yeah, yes, guest house. So this is where I am doing my personal retreat. So what I do during my personal retreat is, first, I thank God for the year. Secondly, I do appraisal. I check what I've done right, what I've done wrong, what I need to do more of next year, what I need to stop doing. Then the third thing I do in my retreat is I ask God for the doing grace. I write my goals, write my plan, break it down, what I need to do, what business I need to go into, what I need to invest in, how I want to get there and all that. But after writing them all, I now ask God for the doing grace. Grace for visibility, for my content on social media, grace, the doing grace to be able to execute all that I plan for and all that. So that's what I do in my retreat. I know this is all about peer-to-peer, right? But no, I see you guys as part of my family. So that's why sometimes I do share with you what I am doing currently. So hope you like this video. If you have questions, ask in the comment section of the video. I do videos, everything I mentioned. I have playlists of videos that I made, both on writing and publishing ebook on Amazon for free. I will drop the playlist. I will drop playlists of videos I made before now about YouTube. But if you are interested, you can let me know. If I have like 10 persons that are interested in starting a YouTube channel, please let me know in the comment section, so that in this coming year that we are crossing over, I can create more content about YouTube. Because at least making like between 200 to 300 or 400 a month, 1,000 naira, is not that shabby as just one part of the side hustle. And this money I withdraw is because I leverage YouTube. It's YouTube that make me to understand so many things, that I branch out, that I do all the cryptocurrency and so many other things, the live streaming. I get lead from YouTube. So When I get 150 USD on YouTube and I make 1000 USD on live streaming, and every lead that I got to my live streaming is from YouTube, so I still consider it as YouTube. Honestly, somehow I'm so grateful to God for that. So you drop your comments. Thank you so much, and hope to see you in my next video. Happy New Year in advance. Bye.